We are excited to be at the water. You ready for this?
I am.
Awesome. You got the engine okay?
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely. Just like that, we're heading to the lake with our Suzumar 250-OKIB powered by Suzuki. For Mydealers.ca, this is Rick Lazell. So now we've brought the MX-250-OKIB down to the waterfront. What's next? We've unpacked it from the bag. Let's look at the process of assembly. You're going to notice you've got a grand total of 5 different filling valves for your foot pump. There's 2 in the floor, 1 on the starboard chamber, 1 on the port side chamber, and 1 up in the bow section. Included with the Suzumar MX-250-OKIB is this handy foot pump. Now we talked about there's 5 valves on the boat. They're all a typical, what I would call a Boston style valve, very simple to use. If your kids have got any kind of inflatables, it's the same valve arrangement. Simply hook it in, start pumping. You can see that chamber starting to fill up right away. Now hooked into our second floor chamber. You can see that chamber really nicely starting to fill up. So once we get the port side here to about 50%, we're just going to disconnect the valve on this side and we'll go over to the starboard side and do the same thing. So you're going to get asked by your friends, how long does it take to manually pump up your Suzumar MX-250-OKIB? Here's the answer. Using that manual pump, you're probably looking at about 20 minutes. Now I'm a bit of a lazy guy. I chose to go out and purchase a 12-volt pump. Watch how quick this gets it done. You can see that port side rib starting to fill the chamber real quickly. Over to the starboard side. You want to be with your pump at all times, making sure everything is safe. And finally, doing our bow chamber. Just like that, we're almost ready to go boating. Your MX-250-OKIB Suzumar inflatable comes equipped with just about everything you need to get your day out on the water. We've got a pair of mooring lines, the foot pump, 2-piece oar kit. Thank you very much for that. We've even got a repair kit and instruction manual. For our test today, our partner chose the 4-stroke Suzuki engine. Now watch as I quickly install the starboard side oar. Just like that, you'll notice it mounts on here. Nice, secure, solid piece of rigging. Install that clamp. We've even got a tab back here to secure that oar into place and get you ready for your day on the water. Your Suzumar comes with a number of D-rings factory installed, which is great because you want to install one of those mooring lines that comes with your kit. Simply do that, have that set in the boat, and you're ready for a day. Your D-rings on your Suzumar MX-250-OKIB are going to give you a number of different holding points for your mooring lines, etc. You'll find 2 up here in the forward section, the bow of the boat, 2 mounted on the exterior, 1 on the starboard side, 1 over there to port, and a 3rd large D-ring mounted up here on the bow section of the boat. Now moving your MX-250-OKIB is part of the whole experience of boating, especially if we're going to go to a variety of different waterways. I love that up in the bow section here we've got a supersized D-ring that converts easily into a carry handle, and you'll notice my friends, thank you very much, are using the carry handles on the port and starboard sides so we can get out on the water and get ready to float. Now, of course, our last moment as we are getting ready to take the crew on the water, now your Suzumar is going to pair perfectly with this beautiful 4-stroke 6-horsepower engine from Suzuki Marine. So here's a couple of things that I really like about the MX-250-OKIB. Number 1, it is so compact and easy to use. You can explore any body of water with the simplicity of this package and the alignment with the Suzuki outboard. At the end of your day, deflate the tubes that carry 3.5 psi and the floor that carries 5 psi, deflate those, put it in the carry bag that the boat comes with, put it in the back of your little SUV, and away you go. This tender would make a great tender, a small dinghy, for any sailboat or small cruising boat. The capabilities to use this as a new boater coming into the sport, think about where you could go. Just in Ontario, there's 250,000 lakes and rivers. Think about the entire country. There's so many places for you to explore, and this is such a great package to do that. Our test boat today was equipped with this beautiful 4-stroke, 6-horsepower Suzuki motor. Shanice, awesome to run, right?
Absolutely.
Talk about classic Suzuki quality. Lightweight, are you kidding me? 53 pounds and a 6-horsepower with an integrated fuel tank. My gosh, this engine absolutely purrs. What a great combination with this inflatable boat from Suzumar. Well done. You'll find a phenomenal range of Suzumar inflatables at your local Suzuki dealer with a great series of models all the way from 8 feet to 13 feet to suit your specific application. Our test boat today, the MX-250-OKIB, was such a fun boat to drive. For Mydealers.ca, this is Rick Lazell.